this video, we'll be going over the October release for SORBA and the updates that came with it. The largest update for this release is the addition of custom algorithms on the machine learning trainer. Custom algorithms enable users to create their own algorithms outside of those that are provided by SORBA. However, this feature will be covered in a separate video. Other changes to the platform with the October release include the addition of two-factor authentication through the SORBA identity. So you have the ability to now do email and multi-factor authentication applications in order to add two-factor authentication to your SORBA instance for additional security. There were a lot of changes to the workspace, including on the notification channels. You now have WhatsApp added as an additional notification. For dashboard reports, it used to be that you could only create dashboard reports based off of a scheduled time setup. You now have the ability to use trigger enabled so that you can select when exactly you want to generate a dashboard by activating a Boolean tag. Now, for the alarm nodes, model instances, scripts, and IoT connectors, you have the ability to add on different execution modes. So, for instance, if I go into a model instance, I now have the ability to edit this, and we will see scope here. So I now have the ability to make this a cloud node, an edge node, or a cloud and edge node. What this means is it's going to determine where this model is actually being run, if it's being run just on the cloud, just on the edge, or being run on both the cloud and the edge. And again, you have execution modes now for alarms, model instances, scripts, and IoT connectors. Speaking of IoT connectors, this update comes with a few new IoT connectors, including KCF, OPC UA, and Ignition. We also have a lot of additional data processors that have been added on or changed and improved with this update. You can find a full list of the new IoT connectors in the release notes. Additionally, on the model side, there is an update to the auto learning. It used to be that for what to do with your current model when you create a new model through auto learning, you could only delete or disable the model. You now have the option to update after auto learning. What this will do is it will take this one model instance and it will just update that model instance without creating an additional model, without deleting the current one, without disabling it. It will just simply update the current model instance. There were some improvements to the script engine, and we also have a couple of nice features for our tags. We can go ahead and select this from the data view, and let's just go and bring in our motor tags. Now, under actions and tools here, we have two additional features, diagnostics and the ability to cross-reference. Diagnostics is going to show you both the cross-reference and also show you the quality on the tag, so we'll give this a second to load, but this will show you your timestamp, the source, the current quality for it, and importantly, it will show you if you are writing to the same tag from multiple different sources. So this is a good way that you can use to check to make sure that you are only writing to a tag from a single source. The cross-reference feature, I'm actually going to show from inside the workspace, since the cross-reference feature can be accessed from both the data view and from the workspace. The cross-reference feature is available on a variety of nodes, and what this will show you is all of the different tags that are connected to that node. So essentially the cross-reference is showing you what it is referencing from and what it is referencing to. So this gives you the ability to see how your nodes interact with one another, and this can be useful for things in the scripting engine for models in order to see what tags are being written to and being taken from for different models and different scripts on your instance. And finally, this update comes with the beta version of SORBA Vision. SORBA Vision is essentially a feature that gives users access to tools that can be used to monitor and analyze video data. These tools include object detection, motion detection, and analytics that can be used based on that data that is being collected with SORBA Vision. More information about this feature will be made available as it goes through the beta testing stage. And that is most of what is new with the October release. For more information, you can check the release notes. We hope that you have a wonderful time using this new release of SORBA.